Hello everyone, welcome to TeQSpoc. Myself, Anuj Kumar, Java trainer, having a 5+ years of IT experience in Java backend. And today's is the core Java session 1. So in this session, our agenda will be what is Java, why is Java is used, why we have choose Java as a backend, what is JDK, what is JRE, and installing a Java in our system and running our first Java program we covered in this session. So, what is Java? Java is a powerful object orientation programming language that is OOPS, developed by Sun Microsoft, and later it is acquired by the Oracle. Okay. Now, Java is a platform independent due to the JVM, that is a Java virtual machine, and it is widely used in building the enterprise scaled backend application. So, this line, the Java is a platform independent, basically means it can be run on any system or application because of the JVM, because JVM convert the code into a machine language, okay, a bytecode. It is basically understand by any machine, and it is basically run on any systems like Mac, Linux, Windows. Okay, now where is Java is used? Java is known for its versatility, platform independent, make it suitable for a wide range of applications that includes Java can be run on mobile application, desktop application, web application, enterprise level application of web server. You can develop a game with the help of Java. You can do the connectivity, interaction with the database, and many other digital solutions. The Java is basically used in all types of development. So these are the wide variety and use of the Java. Java write one, run anywhere philosophy has made it a foundational technology across various industries. Means write the code once and run anywhere any number of times. That is the basic philosophy of the Java. So need for Java and history. Java was released in 1995 with the goal of write once, run anywhere. Okay. Develop the code once, run anywhere, any system, in any platform. Okay. That is the basic goal of the Java. It was designed to be simple, secure, and robust. And over the time, Java became a core language for building scalable, high-performing application, especially in finance, telecom, large-scale enterprise systems. So, why choose Java, okay, for your development career and for backend development? So, Java is a platform independent, means it can be run on any operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, run on seamlessly on various operating system because of the it basically use the JVM. The JVM convert your code into a machine code, okay, the 0 and 1. It remains one of the most widely adopted programming language worldwide. Skilled Java developers are highly in demand today's job market because in every company you will see hundreds of Java developers sitting and doing the work. Some are working on the back end, some are working on mobile applications, some are working on the security, game development, and many things are there. So Java language is relatively easier to pick up, especially for the beginners, and thanks to its straightforward syntax. So basically, a Java is easier than C and C++ nowadays, which generally students find it difficult to understand or start the coding from the C. Okay. So Java is little bit similar and easy to understand. Java is free to use. Java is open source. You can freely install the Java in your open system and start working on the Java. Okay. Known for its security, speed, performance, Java is an ideal for building a robust application. In Java, you have the security, performance, speed is fast, performance is good. That's why we should use the Java. It benefits from a massive global community. Now, the Java community is very massive nowadays. The global community are you can also join that community and make your efforts, offering a plenty of learning resources and supports. Begin a object orient. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java promote core modules and reusability with help to reduce the development from time and cost. As we have seen, the Java goal is to write the code once and reuse any number of time anywhere. Okay. Now, what is JDK and what is JR? So JDK is a Java development kit. Okay. JDK is a complete software development package used to create the Java application and templates. It includes everything a developer need to write the code, to compile the code, debug or run the Java program. Basically, if you are a developer, okay, you should install JDK because it will give you compiler to compile the code and runtime environment to run your Java application inside your system and application. So that's why as a developer you should install JDK. Okay. Now, key component in JDK, you will get JRE. JRE will basically run your Java program. You will get compiler that will convert your Java source code into a byte code that is a 0 and 1. Okay, inside the JDK. Then you will get development tools such as Java P, Java Dog, Java, jar for packaging and analyzing the Java code. Okay. Then we will get libraries and APIs that essential for building the Java applications. Okay. If you want to develop the Java application, you need to install a JDK. We will install JDK further. Then what is JRE? If you are not a developer, only you want to run a Java application on your system, you don't want to compile or write the Java, then you can install JRE, that is a Java runtime environment. The JRE is a software package that provides the certain libraries, Java virtual machines, and other component required to run the Java application in your system or application. The key component of JRE is you will get Java virtual machine that is used to execute the byte code. Okay. Code, you will get the code libraries, you will support file, you will get, okay, that is configuration file to run your Java applications. Means if you are a customer client, you only want to run the file, install the JRE and run the dot class file. Okay. Library is nothing but a file and folder where all the things related to the Java, running the Java program or Java language will be kept there, and it will take the necessary thing from that file and folder. That is the that is the library. Okay. Don't in a similar term. What is library? Library is like a file and folder. In your system, you have the folder, and inside the folder you have the different types of files. So in coding world, that will call as a libraries, or that will also called as a package. Okay. Now moving further, installing of the Java. Okay. If you need to set up a Java in your computer, you can download or install by the following option. This is basically a guideline. Like in some computer, Java is already installed. Okay. In some computer, Java will not be installed. Okay. For let me go through the one by one. First, let me show you how to check is in your system or your PC Java is installed or not. For that, we have to write a few command lines for there, like open CMD, that is a command prompt. Uh, 1 minute. Okay, move here, click here, write CMD. Okay. After, if your system has already installed Java, you can check it from here. You have typed CMD and the CMD has been opened. Now you can write Java dash version, version. Okay. So this is basically a query, which you Linux query you will write here to know the which version of Java is installed in your system. Hit enter. So currently in my system, Java version 17.0.9 is basically installed. Okay. If you do not have any Java, then you will see nothing. Okay. Or some type of error. Okay. Or not found. Okay. So if you in your system Java is not installed, then what? Then nothing. Just go to a browser Type Oracle. Now the Oracle is a company which is basically, this is the Oracle. Click on the Oracle, close this one. This is the company which is basically acquired the Java. Now you want to download a Java, that you want to download a Java 8 version, Java 9 version, Java 17 version, or Java any version. So you can also see here Java downloads. Okay, click on Java downloads. Okay, come downwards, downward. So basically you can see JDK 24 is the current Java version which is basically in market in today's 2025. So now if you have Linux, you can download this version, 64 version exe file. This no, for Linux you can download 64 version. For Mac, click here and download whatever the laptop configuration is. You can select it from your So currently I have a Windows. Select XP64 installer. This and exe file. Okay, click on here. Now it is basically started downloading the file. Okay, click here. Okay, it will take at least 10 minutes. Let me pause, and when it is recorded I will show you. So now only 11, 12, 13 seconds are left. So let it be install the Java. As you can see, we are developer. We are installing JDK, that is Java Development Kit, which have a compiler and interpreter both, which basically help us to create the Java program and run the Java program. After it has been installed, click here. Means just open your download. Basically, it is okay. Now, do you want allow this app to make a change in your application? Yes, we have clicked yes. Now it will take a few minutes and start rendering your applications and will start doing the things. Okay. Okay. Now what you will do? Now this prompt will be open. Click on the next. Copy this path, this URL you have to copy paste somewhere, or you can also change. Let it be. It is basically in C drive program file user, then Java, then JDK 8. Okay, and then will and click on the next, and it will start downloading the things. Okay, it has been started. So status copying the new file now. After that, the next prompt will be here. After installing, after this progress, you will generally click on the close. Okay, now the Java has been installed in your system or PC. Now you can click here, and also the same way checking off, click on the command prompt, and you can search Java dash version. In this way you can search. Okay, now the Java 24, it has been upgrade. Okay, my from my side. So now what you will do, now you have to set up the path of in your system environment variable or system variable. So for what you will do, search environment, environ. So write environment variable here. So you will see the edit the system environment variable. Click here. Okay, and under advanced you will see the environment variable. Click here. Okay. After that, you will see the system variable. Okay. Now go to a path. Okay, now this is path. Now what you will do, the path which you have copied, or if you do not copy that part, then simply what you will do, uh, Mhm. Oh, wait, first I will close this one. If you have not copied the path, okay, then what? Then simply you what you will do, go to your PC, C drive, okay, C drive program file Java. These are the different types of JDK which is been installed in my PC. You can set up, copy the path in your system. Okay, my 17 JDK 8, JDK 17, JDK 24. Okay, whichever Java version you want to use, click here there, copy the click JDK, then open the bin file. Okay, after inside the bin file, what you will do, click here. You have to copy this path just in this way. Cursor plus C for copy. Okay, and after you have copied the path, same thing, go to the command not command from environment variable, click here. Okay, then click on the path. Oh, it is already open. Let me close that one. First, let me close all the file. Okay. Now, environment variable, advanced environment variable, path. Okay. Now, click here the new. You have to paste the your path here. Okay. Cursor plus V. Why cursor plus V? You will paste the path. Okay. Here. Now I will not paste because I have already done the, you can see here the it is already set up. After pasting the path here by cursor plus we click on the OK. Okay. Then again OK. Here after clicking on the OK, it will take a few seconds to render the things properly. Then after click here also OK. So in this way you have set up the Java in your system. Okay. So now the Java has been installed in your personal system or laptop. Now we will create our first Java program. Okay. Now we will see how to run a Java program inside our system. Okay. Now what we will do, like the no, not this one. I am like this is I have created one a folder that is Java program. Okay. Inside this I am creating a one file. Okay, creating a new text document file, let it be, and open this file. Okay, now here I am creating a Java program. Okay, I am showing you how to create a Java program and how to run a Java program, how to save after creating a Java program, how you will save. Okay, this thing I will show you just now. So let me first go to the our respective slides where we have stopped. Okay, we have seen how to check the Java version. Okay, we have seen how to install a Java. Okay, now now we will what we will do, we will create one class. Okay, in every programming language we have to create class to develop a code, write a code, build a logic, build a method, build a object. Anything should be created inside the class. Okay, and then we have to run the class to run our program. Okay, we will discuss and we will discuss in detail later in this chapter what is a public, what is class, what is a public static void main, what is the meaning of all the term. Okay, for in further classes. Now just we have to focus how to run the code or save the code in notepad. Okay, this class name is main, main. This is public class main. This is the class name main. So every class name should be start with a capital letter. This is main, is capital. Okay, now let me after you will create the Java program, then how we will run, let me first go through the we have created uh, our okay. now now here we are seeing how to creating first file. Okay, like public is a access specifier. class, we are creating a class. This is showing that you are creating a class. And class name, the class name like class name should be start with capital letter. First letter should be capital name. Then you can write this. Okay, do not write 1 2 3. This is a not recommended. Okay, so you will write main is the class. Or okay, just write main is class. Then curly bracket open, and you have to close close the bracket. Okay, now you have closed. Now there will be a main method come inside this class. Okay, that is public static void main. For running your Java application, main method is necessary. Okay, what is public, what is static, what is void, what is main, we will discuss in further classes. Just now we are seeing how to run. Okay, a string, open close bracket, args, that is arg. Arg is basically used for the storing the things inside this. Then open bracket, and then close bracket. Okay, if you do not properly open and close the bracket, or you do not properly put a semicolons and anything, that your program will not run. Okay, everything should be same. Means if there is a string, yes is capital, so it should be capital. Okay, otherwise it will give you error. If you have mentioned open bracket, then it should also have a closing bracket also, otherwise the program will not run. Okay, so this thing you have to keep in mind to run your program. Okay, so first time you are writing the code, you will type and run. You will see that your program is not running. You will see what happened, something, why I have written the same. Then you will notice, oh, the class name, the main is yum is small from your side. Okay, the string yes is small from your side. Or args, like here I have make mistake, that spelling mistake, args, args. So in this way, basically the mistake will be done in starting. Now I have to print a hello world. My name is Anush. So for that we have a statement, that is a system dot out dot print ln. Okay. Now here you in the strings thing, string should be right inside a semicolon colon. That is my name is Anush. Okay, and you should semicolon. Okay. Now what? Now just you have to save this file. Go to file, save as. Okay. Now you what name? Then the file name should be the same, the class name. The class name you have given the main. The file name should also be a main. Okay. The first name should be capital main. Okay. Now for saving the file, click here all files, and here you will have to save with dot Java. Dot Java file will specify that this is a Java file. If you for a, okay, if you are developing writing code of Python to dot py, if you are writing the code in HTML dot HTML, okay, in this way you are basically the extension, a closing of any language. Okay, so just save the file. Okay. Okay, the file has been saved. Okay, the main file. Okay. Now what I will do, I will open command prompt in here only. Okay, so there is two way of opening command prompt. Click left mouse button, open terminal, or go here, click, and you can in from your keyboard type cmd, enter. So in this way also the command prompt will be open. Okay, now I have shown you two way, left mouse button, open terminal. Okay, here. Now what? We have created our first Java program. Here we are seeing how to write a Java program and how to run a Java program. Okay, and we have installed our Java inside your system or PC. Okay, now what we will do, we will run a Java program. So how we will run a Java program? we have installed JDK, Java Development Kit, that is a compiler and runtime environment. Now we have write the code. Now we will compile the our dot class file, and that class file is converted into compiler will a byte code, that is JVM1, and from JVM and converted to machine code. Okay, so now what we will do. We have installed JDK, so we have compiler and interpreter both. Now we will what it will compile our Java code. So what we have Java C, Java compiler. Then it will what will and your class name. Class name is name dot Java. Enter. Okay. Okay. Now, if all the things are right, you will get in this format. If the things are not right, you will get some other thing. If the file is not found or some types of error message you will get. Okay. Now, after that, you will write class Java name to run Java main to run your file with file. The name is main file. This is a compile the Java. This is the file name. Compile this file. Okay. Now run this file. Run this file. Click enter. Now you can see after running this file, I have my name is Anuj. Okay. This thing is printing from that file. Okay. So in this is the way you are creating a Java file. Okay. You have developed first Java program and you have run the first Java in your C. Now let me show you one more time how to run your Java program. Basically, open your create a file. Open your file. Okay. Close this one. Now I want to write write public. Public is a access specifier that it can be accessed from anywhere for any class or package, basically. Hmm. Just see how to create a class showing that you are creating a class. The class name should be capital A. Okay. Like A is a class. The first name is capital. Okay. Anuj can also be class. Okay. I am simply writing the name A. Okay. Curly braces, open and close. Okay. Now, second, we will write the main method. Main method will basically run the your Java program. Okay. Without creating a main method, the Java program will not run. Okay. In Java, from Java 8 onwards. In previous version, that is Java 6 or 7, you can run the Java program without the main method. But Java 8 onward, you have to create a main method to run the Java program. Okay. Till now. Now you will get a main method. The main method will be uh, like static void main. Main is the name of the main method. Main, then a string string string. This is the array symbol, that is a array, and args. Okay, and curly braces open and close. Okay. Now I want to print something. For printing something, there is a print statement, that is a system. That is system is a class which have readily available logic dot out dot. In system class, there is a print ln method which basically print the things which you basically write. Okay, this the backend logic is written inside. The print is a method. A system is a class. There is a print method which is basically print the things. Okay. Now I will write hello my student. Okay. This is the first. Okay. Now click on the plus, like hello my student Anuj. Okay. Now again plus. Then again I want to write something. Hello sir. Okay. In this way, I have shown you some few things. Okay. Now I want to save file as save the file with the name whatever the class name you have given to. My class name is here is A with a first name is capital A. Okay. Dot Java. Okay. Now click here all files so that you can save in any format. Save. Okay. This file is now saved. So see, now what I will do, close this command prompt and go here, type cmd enter. After typing cmd enter, what you will do, java compiler will compile your java code, and that's the java file. Okay, java c file name is a dot java, enter. If everything is okay, now we the same thing now. Now the you can see Java 4 error cannot find the symbol system dot out of print l on the print ln hello my student Anuj, symbol variable Anuj. Okay, so this is the basic error. So you location class A error one. Okay, so if you are making some type of error inside your class, that error is basically shown inside here. Okay, while compiling this code, so while compiling you get an error. So this is a compile time error. So if somebody asked what is a compile time error, while compiling if you get an error, that is a compile time. So the first in this is basically interview question, generally ask what is a compile time error, show me. So whenever you write the code and run the java code, in compilation, if you get the error, that errors are called a compile time error. So we have get the first error, that is a compile time error. Now, what we will do, we'll simply enter and cursor plus yes, s- control plus yes for save the thing. Okay. Now, enter command prompt java c a dot java, enter. Now, we have go back to our code and we have removed that thing which is causing the error. Now, java and your class name, enter. So now we can see hello, my name. Okay, the things which are we are printing hello my student. Okay, so in this way we have seen how to, this is our, in this way we have seen how to create a java program. Okay, how to run a java program. Okay, we have seen how to install a java in your computer. Now go home, install java inside your computer, set a environment path variable in your computer, then check in command prompt that your java is installed or not. You can install any java version. Basically you can install java 8, java 9, java 24. Okay, just go to here, just go in here and whichever java version you want to install, just a java 8 you want to install, java 8 is more suitable. Okay, work very easily, faster. Okay, you can install java 8. You can basically start installing from java 8. Okay, then slowly when you go on hands on with all the thing, you can upgrade to java 17, 18, 11, 24. Okay, start with java 8 download. Okay, so I will also will start java 8 now. Just click in that way you can search and download. Okay, basically uh, majority of people use Windows. Some people will use Mac. So Windows, you will install 64 installer to 05 MB exe file. Mac, you will go here and whatever your system configuration is, you can install the things. Okay. And similarly for Linux. Okay. Now, so we have seen the command prompt. We have Oracle. Okay. We have seen this. Okay. Now this is for this is all for core Java session 1. In next session, we will see how to install the IDE. The IDE is basically used for creating a project. Okay. Every Java, every language like Python, there is a Python, Java, C++. Okay. So every language have their own IDEs respectively. Okay. Some IDs are common. In some IDE, you can run any types of language like VS Code. You can run Java, Python, any language. But there are separate IDE for also like We have Eclipse, basically used for a Java programming language. ESTS is basically used for Java programming language. Okay. For Python, the IDE name is PyCharm. Okay. There are different types. So here we are basically doing the Java course. So we will see how to install ASTS. Okay. Okay. And we will work upon that. Okay. So next session we will see how to install ASTS, how to install Postman. When we going to test an API, then how to install a MySQL workbench. Okay. For database integration. Okay. For database integration, we will use MySQL workbench. So to next class we will install STS for Java. Then we will install MySQL workbench for database, okay, and Postman for API testing integration. Okay, thank you. See you in the next session. Okay, okay. Uh,
Contact us for the free job assistance. We will help you to get the IT job. Please like, subscribe, and share the channel for more regular updates from TeQSpoc.